Hey, what's up everybody? It's your man, Techdevil here, and we're diving deep into the world of foldable phones with the Huawei Pocket 3. This phone is changing the game with its sleek design and powerful performance. Foldable phones are no longer a novelty, they're here to stay, and the Huawei Pocket 3 is proving why. We're talking specs, design, and that all-important user experience. First up, size matters, especially with a foldable. The Huawei Pocket 3 sports a generous 6.9-inch display when unfolded. That's right, 6.9 inches of pure viewing pleasure. Perfect for streaming your favorite content or getting lost in a mobile game. But what about when you need to pocket it? This is where the magic happens. The Pocket 3 folds down to a super compact size that easily slips into your pocket or bag. No more bulky phones weighing you down. We're talking about true portability without sacrificing screen real estate. And let's not forget the elegant design. The Huawei Pocket 3 is crafted with premium materials and attention to detail, making it a stylish statement piece as well as a powerful device. Now, let's talk power. The Huawei Pocket 3 is no slouch in the performance department. It's equipped with a cutting-edge processor that can handle anything you throw at it. We're talking about smooth multitasking, lightning-fast app launches, and a lag-free gaming experience. This phone is built for speed and efficiency, so you can do more, faster. And let's not forget about battery life. The Huawei Pocket 3 packs a long-lasting battery that will keep you powered up all day long. No need to constantly search for a charger with this phone. Section 4. Memory and Storage Champions. When it comes to memory and storage, the Huawei Pocket 3 doesn't disappoint. It comes with a generous amount of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and fast app switching. No more annoying lag or delays. And with ample internal storage, you'll have plenty of space for all your apps, photos, videos, and more. Say goodbye to storage anxiety. The Huawei Pocket 3 has got you covered. But what truly sets the Huawei Pocket 3 apart is its software. It runs on the latest version of Huawei's operating system, which is designed specifically for foldable devices. This means you get a seamless and intuitive user experience that takes full advantage of the foldable form factor. Section 5. Camera and Price, Capturing Moments Affordably. Finally, let's talk about the camera. The Huawei Pocket 3 features a high-quality camera system that captures stunning photos and videos. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or just love snapping everyday moments, this phone will exceed your expectations. And the best part? The Huawei Pocket 3 is priced competitively, making it an accessible option for those looking to enter the world of foldable phones. It's a premium device without the premium price tag. So, there you have it, folks. The Huawei Pocket 3 is a game changer in the world of foldable smartphones, offering a perfect blend of style, performance, and affordability. It's a phone that fits your life, literally, and empowers you to do more on the go. Don't sleep on this one. Peace out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more updates on the latest tech. Thanks for watching. Thanks.